So the order of my seals came in. It's a lot of packages, and I've sorted out, different areas of the car, and also kind of just to point out that the installation of these is different on a lot of them. Some of them you just kind of pull the trim out and stick the rubber piece in. Some of them slide into a groove. Some of them you actually have to rubber cement in place. So I kind of separated, these are just the headlight and the tail light, rear handle, bumper hoods. These are the ones that you just kind of just put in place. It should just take a couple of minutes. This stack here are the door pillars and the door seals. You have to be careful about these. There's a right and a left. But Volvo did something really cool, is that the front left and the rear right are the same, and the front right and the rear left are the same. So the doors are actually mirrors of each other. So as long as you get two, if you're going to do all four, two of each, right and left, then you can match all four doors. You do need four pillar seals. They only had 2 in stock, so I'm just going to do the front 2. Those need to be rubber cemented in place. I made a mistake. I thought I had that rubber cement, but I didn't, so I'm gonna have to make another order before I install those, but I can do some of the other seals. Real quick note about quality and manufacturers and all that. You're gonna probably find, whether it's IPD USA or VP Auto or any other Volvo dealership, there's various manufacturers, because these are old. Some of them are still made by Volvo, made in Sweden, Volvo. So this is with the hood, the rear hood seal. Some of them are going to be just off brands. This, I don't even believe this says where it's made. And then some of them are going to be made in Germany. So they're kind of, most of them are still made in Europe and are pretty high quality, but you do have to kind of double check all the part numbers to make sure that you're getting the ones that fit your version. Now obviously the coupe and the sedan and the estate are all different, and they're all going to have different seals for the most part. Yeah, so these are the wing vent seals, and these are, IPD is pretty good. They label what it actually goes right and left, and but this is non-Volvo. So I'm gonna go ahead and install some of these little ones, order some more rubber cement, or order some rubber cement so I can do the trunk and the pillar seals, and then look up which other ones are just little channels that I can pull out and slide in place, and which ones I need to cement. All right.